Alright everybody, welcome to Beer Cheers RC Crawlers. Today I'm very excited to show us all a new truck. The LOSI Tenacity TT Pro just came out. Pretty excited about this. I've had it for 2 days now and I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. So, as you guys probably know, 4-wheel drive, RTR. Let's open the box. So this model comes in 2 colors. The one I got, and then also a blue and green one. I'm pretty happy about it. This one looks really sweet. Comes with your typical package of parts. Extra pinion, a couple Allen wrenches, nice book. Let's move this box out of the way. It also comes with a Spectrum transmitter. Check that out, 4 AA's come with it. This is the first time I've ever seen that. But yeah, nice radio. Spectrum DX2E. This truck has ACV, which is active, or AVC, active vehicle control. Adjustable on the controller. Throttle trim, steering trim, and it also has the port for the Spectrum dashboard speedometer. And you can mount your phone on there and have the dashboard app as well. Full telemetry, I believe it does. You have to get the extra modules, but I believe it does like motor temperature, RPM, speed, battery, voltage. Let's look at this truck. Pretty sweet, guys. Pretty sweet. Nice rubber retainers for the body clips. Really nice body. I do not want to scratch this. I don't even want to drive it. Should be on the shelf. So aluminum chassis, 4mm. Front, center, and rear differential. 550 can motor, brushless. Spectrum 130 amp ESC with the smart technology here again. Nice, I believe it's metal geared servo. All waterproof, 100% waterproof. Comes with a built-in light bar, LED light bar. That's pretty nice. Aluminum shock towers, aluminum shocks. Nice stainless turnbuckles, front and rear. The battery tray holds like a 2S 5000 mAh battery. Really nice truck. Beautiful suspension. I can't wait to rip it. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, pretty nice. So let's try to get some running footage. Alright guys, that last spot was way too dirty and dusty to get any footage, so I'm just going to do some speed runs here so you get an idea of what it does. On 2S, I'm running a Gen Ace 50C 5000 mAh. Here we go. By the way, highly disappointed in the ACV. It definitely acts funny. Watch this as I try to get the trim here. Here's what the ACV does. That's not even me. I don't have anything on the steering at all. No input on the steering. Here we go. Undrivable. So I'm not sure what LOSI's doing there, but not impressed. Not impressed with that. So here it is, guys, the LOSI TT Pro. Pretty sweet truck. Built-in LED bar. Really nice suspension. Pretty fast on 2S even. Not sure what we got up to. Probably close to 40, I would guess. But very nicely built. Very nice.